What's up, guys? My name is Gabriel Showale, and I just want to invite you for our upcoming training.
Gabriel, how far now?
What you doing here, man? I'm trying to make a video. Peace out. Sorry about that, guys. I just want to invite you for our upcoming training, Adobe Masterclass, which focuses on graphic design, video editing, and motion graphics. We currently have centers in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and in Accra, Ghana. So visit any of these centers to get started with this training. And if you're unable to make it to any of this center, you could also choose to go for the online class. Visit the link in the description right now, and I'll see you guys in the training. What you doing again, man?
How far now?
I'm trying to make a video. Ain't got no sugar for you. Huh?
Sugar now.
Ain't got no sugar for you. Peace out. Where you go with my laptop? Where?